This 2018 Forest River Salem Cruiser LITE 230BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This used Forest River is 25 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, stove-top burner, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, microwave, smoke detector, refrigerator, CO detector, water heater, skylight, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Salem Cruiser LITE 230BHXL is 4,941 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.